Synonyms: the key to avoiding repetition. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into a topic that can make a significant difference in refining your written English, using synonyms to avoid repetition. By mastering this technique, you'll make your writing more engaging, diverse, and polished. Let's jump right in. Repetition is when we use the same words or phrases multiple times in close proximity. While sometimes repetition can be used for emphasis, unnecessary repetition can make your writing sound redundant and monotonous. For example, she likes chocolate. She eats chocolate every day. Her favorite dessert is chocolate ice cream. Notice how the repeated use of chocolate makes the paragraph sound a bit tedious. A synonym is a word or phrase that means almost the same as another word or phrase. By swapping out repeated words with their synonyms, we can make our writing more varied and engaging. Using the previous example, we could rewrite it as, she likes chocolate. She indulges in it every day. Her favorite dessert is a cocoa-based ice cream. Here, indulges and cocoa-based serve as synonyms, adding variety to the writing. However, a word of caution. It's essential to ensure that the synonym you choose fits the context. Synonyms often have nuances that can slightly alter the meaning of a sentence. For instance, both happy and ecstatic mean a form of joy, but ecstatic is a much stronger emotion than happy. Tip: always check the definition and example sentences of a synonym before using it in your writing. The best way to master the use of synonyms is through practice. Here's a quick activity. Original sentence: the boy was tired because the boy had been running. Using synonyms, we can edit this to, the lad was tired because he had been running. Practice with more sentences, and soon you'll naturally incorporate synonyms into your writing. Synonyms are a writer's ally in combating repetition. By consciously weaving them into your work, you'll elevate your writing, making it more compelling and dynamic. We hope this video has shed light on the magic of synonyms. Until next time, keep practicing and happy writing.